we are diving into the different types of memory that make up our remarkable cognitive abilities. Think of your memory as a multifaceted system, each part playing a unique role in how you process and retain information. Number 1. Sensory memory. Imagine your senses as the gateway to your memory. Sensory memory is the initial fleeting stage where information from your senses, sight, hearing, touch, taste, smell, is briefly registered. It's like a snapshot that captures the raw data from your environment. Iconic memory. Visual. This is where visual information is held for a fraction of a second. Think of the trails left by a sparkle. That's your iconic memory at work. Echoic memory. Auditory. This holds auditory information for a few seconds, like the echo of a sound after it's been made. Number 2. Short-term memory. Working memory. If sensory memory is the snapshot, short-term memory is the temporary clipboard where you hold onto information you are actively using. It has limited capacity, around 7 items, and a short duration, usually a few seconds to a minute. This is where you process information, make decisions, and solve problems. Think of it like juggling. You can only keep a few items in the air at once before they start to drop. Short-term memory is essential for understanding language, following instructions, and performing mental calculations. Number 3. Long-term memory. This is the vast storehouse of your knowledge, experiences, and skills. Long-term memory has a virtually unlimited capacity and can last a lifetime. It's where you store information that's meaningful, emotional, or connected to your existing knowledge. Long-term memory is divided into two main types: explicit memory, declarative memory. This includes memories you can consciously recall and declare, like facts, events, and experience. Implicit memory, non-declarative memory. This includes memories that are expressed through performance or behavior, like skills and habits. You don't consciously recall them, but they influence your actions. Key takeaways. Sensory memory briefly registers sensory information. Short-term memory holds information you are actively using. Long-term memory is the vast storehouse of your knowledge and experiences. Understanding these different types of memory gives you a foundation for exploring the fascinating processes that shape how you learn and remember. In our next lecture, we'll delve into those processes: encoding, storage, and retrieval.